Hi, welcome to Take Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today is Movie Studio Mondays, where I help people using Movie Studio. And I had a request from somebody who's trying to do a glitch effect in Movie Studio while watching one of my Vegas Pro tutorials, and you can't do them. You can't do the same type of glitch effect in Movie Studio as you can in Vegas. Vegas, you have so much control over the glitch effects, you can make them look really, really awesome. But Movie Studio, you're very limited. But there is a way to make a glitch effect, so I'll show you how to do that today. So follow me. So first of all, before we get started here, get rid of all these tracks. All you're going to do is mess you up. So hold the control key down and highlight every one of these tracks. Right click, delete them all. Let's start from fresh. Insert video track. Insert generate media. It's like Vegas noise texture. Now I already have all these parameters set in a preset called horizontal lines. So I'll open these all up. Now what I want you to do is I want you to put this in pause and copy all of these settings. Make sure they're all the same as what you see here. And when you're done, up here, type in horizontal lines and click this little diskette for save it and save it. So you always have it saved. So go ahead and put it on pause. And when you're finished, we'll continue. Okay, so you're done. Alright, let's continue now. So we're going to animate frequency Y and the offset degrees in progress. Okay, so we're going to move the frequency here all the way to the left. To the cursor, move this all the way to the right. Bring these all now to the right. So we're going to bring frequency Y to the right and offset degrees in progress to the right. So it's created two keyframes for us here. So video track is on top. Right click, insert text media. We're going to call this glitch. Just so you can see what we're doing. Let's move this out of the way for a second. And that scales up quite a bit here. Yeah, right there is good. Change the font to Arial. And keep it bold as well. Okay, so let's bring this back here. So the first track, you're going to change this to multiply. Second track, you're going to change to make compositing child. So play it back, something like this. So it's glitching a bit. But we're going to add another effect in here. Go to video effects. Look up TV simulator. Drag it to the text track. Now put all these down except all these to the left. Except interlacing. We want interlacing on. And line sync just a little off to the side. So you play it back something like this. Now if you wanted to, I hit my DPI button again. Stand by a second, I'm going to reset my mouse. Okay, back in business here. If you wanted to, under this TV simulator here, we could have animated this. So let's go ahead and delete this and start from scratch. Delete this plugin. Let's get TV simulator again. Put it down here. Let's animate this. So let's put the cursor right about Right about here. Now let's drag all these down. Let's bring it to the end now. One frame over. Just these. Pay this back like this. So we got glitches. Okay, so let's close out this. Let's do a fade out. Let's go to media generators, get solid color. We're going to add a green screen to this so we can put it over top of a video clip. So the colors, it's like green, a nice dark green. Dark green there is good. Let's go back to the text track. Let's change this to black. Okay, so let's render this. We'll just call it 1.1 just so we can find it easier in my project file folder. Okay, so let's highlight all these tracks, delete them all. Project media. Like glitch I just rendered. Let's drag this to the first track. Take my video clip to the second track, or third track, sorry. Now let's go to Event, FX. Click on Vegas, Chroma Key. Okay. Color picker tool, sample of the green. So we got rid of the green now. Go to Event Pan and Crop. Let's position this a little higher up. Get it centered. So right there. So put it back to something like this. So that's how you can do a glitch effect in Movie Studio. Once again, if you're using Vegas Pro, you have so much control over what you can do with the text. This is about the best I can do in Movie Studio. Vegas Pro is the way to go if you want to do more glitches. That's the way to go, is getting Vegas Pro. But in Movie Studio, this is about basically all you're going to have to settle with is this type of effect in Movie Studio. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. New videos every Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. So once again, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.